Exploring AI in education, setting the stage. All right, everyone. Welcome. Today, we are diving into a topic that is transforming the world around us, artificial intelligence. But here's the twist. We are going to use AI insights to understand AI itself. That's right. Studying AI. It's like a hall of mirrors, and it is absolutely fascinating. Now, let me ask you this. Have you interacted with AI today? Maybe you used a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa. Perhaps you received a song recommendation on Spotify. That's all AI at work. But what exactly is AI, and how is it reshaping education? That's what we'll explore today. Key AI concepts. To start, let's define a few key AI concepts that will help frame our discussion. One of the most intriguing is the AI effect. This describes how, once we understand how AI works, it stops feeling like magic. It's like a magic trick. Once you know the secret, the wonder fades a little. Think about how deepfakes amazed people at first, but now they are just another tool in the AI toolbox. Next, let's talk about AI's boom and bust cycles, often called AI winters and AI springs. AI goes through periods of massive excitement, investment, and breakthroughs, like what we're experiencing now, followed by disappointment when progress slows or expectations aren't met. Right now, we're in an AI spring, with deep learning driving many breakthroughs. But history tells us this excitement may not last forever. Now, let's test our understanding. What do you think could trigger another AI winter? If AI fails to deliver on big promises, we could see funding and enthusiasm fade. One last key distinction: narrow AI versus general AI. Most of what we interact with, chatbots, recommendation algorithms, self-driving features, is narrow AI, meaning it specializes in specific tasks. But the dream of AI researchers is general AI. General AI would be capable of human-level reasoning, adapting to new tasks as we do. Right now, general AI is more science fiction than reality. A brief history of AI. Let's take a quick journey back in time. AI as a concept has been around longer than you might think. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed the Turing test, a way to measure whether a machine could convincingly mimic human intelligence. Fast forward to the 1960s, and we got Eliza, an early chatbot that seemed shockingly advanced at the time. But AI's early promise hit roadblocks. Systems lacked real understanding, and computing power was limited. This led to the first AI winter. The 1980s and 90s saw a shift with machine learning. Instead of trying to program every possible rule, researchers let AI learn from data. This led to major advances in image recognition, natural language processing, and, eventually, deep learning, an approach modeled after the human brain. Deep learning is why today's AI can generate images, analyze massive amounts of text, and even play games at superhuman levels. Who here has used ChatGPT or an AI image generator? Those tools exist because of deep learning. Pretty incredible, right? AI in education, changing the way we learn. Now, let's bring AI into our classrooms. One of the most exciting applications is personalized learning. AI-powered tutoring systems, like Khan Academy's adaptive learning tools, adjust to individual students. If you struggle with a concept, AI recognizes it and gives you more practice. If you're excelling, it challenges you. It's like having a private tutor available 24/7. AI also helps teachers by automating tasks, grading quizzes, providing feedback on written work, and even identifying students who might need extra help. Imagine if AI could handle multiple-choice grading instantly, freeing up teachers to focus on in-depth discussions and mentorship. Sounds helpful, right? Challenges and ethical considerations. Of course, AI in education comes with challenges. A big one is equity and inclusion. AI models are trained on data, and if that data is biased, the AI's recommendations might be too. We have seen issues in facial recognition and hiring algorithms. Now imagine what could happen in grading or tutoring systems. That's why it is crucial to ensure AI is developed with fairness in mind. Another issue is access. Not all schools have the same technology. If AI-powered learning tools are only available to wealthy schools, we risk deepening the digital divide. Addressing this means making AI-powered education accessible and giving teachers proper training. How do you think we can ensure AI benefits all students equally? Making AI education fair and effective is a challenge, but one we need to tackle. The future of teachers in an AI world. Some people fear that AI will replace teachers. But here's my take. AI can't replace the human connection, mentorship, and inspiration that great teachers provide. It's not AI versus teachers, it's AI working with teachers. By handling routine tasks, AI can free up educators to focus on what really matters. Engaging with students. Encouraging critical thinking. Fostering creativity. Think back to your best teachers. What made them great? It probably wasn't just their ability to deliver information, but their passion, support, and encouragement. That's something AI can't replicate. Final thoughts, the future of intelligence. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on something fascinating. AI is helping us understand intelligence itself, both artificial and human. As AI evolves, it challenges us to rethink what intelligence really means. What do you think? Could AI ever be truly intelligent, or will it always be a tool? It's a deep question, and one we'll keep exploring as AI continues to advance. So, what's the big takeaway? AI is revolutionizing education, but it's not about replacing humans, it's about collaboration. It is a tool to enhance learning. A tool to make education more accessible. A tool to empower both students and teachers. And as we move forward, our role is to use AI wisely, ethically, and thoughtfully. Closing, that's all for today, but I encourage you to keep exploring. If you want a deeper dive, read the research paper titled Takes One to Know One, Exploring Artificial Intelligence Using AI. And most importantly, stay curious, keep asking questions, and engage critically with AI. Who knows? The future of AI in education might be shaped by one of you. Thank you.